So SIPs is structurally insulated panels. So what that means is they come out in these, typically they're 4 by whatever length, whatever height your building is. So if you think about SIPs as adult Legos, that's kind of what these are. These all come together and they all bolt together and screw together in the field, but it's all designed off-site and it's all built off-site, and then all we do on the construction site is put it all together to create the structure. There's a few reasons why you might want to use them, and anybody who wants a tighter construction timeline would seriously consider that. Anybody that has any concern for building green and lower operating costs for the lifespan of a building. So for example, this is a 7,400 square foot-ish building, and typically this would take us about 6 weeks to frame with conventional lumber 2x8 construction, and this took 8 days to put together, for example. If this hadn't been a SIPs project, we would probably only have half of the walls done in a week and a half, right? So we wouldn't have trusses up, we wouldn't have sheathing on, we would still be a month away, but as it stands now, we're able to get some of our firewalls done, we're able to start our metal stud framing, and we're starting our plumbing rough-in. So all of this stuff gets advanced way further than it would be if it was a conventional wood frame build. And then the other reason, lower operating costs, right? So inside of that wall is 6 inches of foam insulation, which exceeds code. And there's 2 layers of plywood on both the inside and the outside. And so it creates, it's a much more energy efficient building. If we reduce the construction build time by 4 weeks, we reduce our general condition costs by 4 weeks. And all of those savings get passed on to the client. So it's much more cost effective for us during the bid process because we know how long this process is actually going to take with a higher degree of certainty.